Hey guys, this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to get Samurai Shodown RPG running on the Neo Geo CD emulator in RetroArch. Some people have asked me how I got it running. So yeah, it is a little bit of work, but basically this is what you have to do. First, download the English patched ROM from CD Romance. This is where I got it from. It's a Neo Geo CD. Yes, it would have been preferable if there was a translated version for the Saturn or a PS1 version, but for now, the only English patched version I know of is the Neo Geo CD version. So just get it from CD Romance. I have the URL up here. Just do a Google search for it. Get the English patched version. The download is roughly about 330 megabytes. And then what you do is you extract that into your folder on Windows. I'm on Windows right now. So yeah, just extract it into the folder here, and yeah, once you get a zip file, you extract it, you'll see all these bin files and a Q file. And next thing you need to do is set up the Neo Geo CD emulator. And in order to do that, I went to GitHub. So the GitHub, you need to get some BIOS files. So you can either use the front loader or the top loader BIOS file, and you can just do a Google search for these and get them from GitHub. So yeah, you can have they're under this GitHub. You can either download this one, just go here, download, and then yeah, just use either one of these. You don't need to have both. Just choose either the front loader or the top loader version. Once you have that, then you go into your RetroArch system folder here, and I have it under I just have it installed on my local C drive, but this is what my RetroArch 64 Win64 folder looks like. You go into system and then create a folder called Neo CD. So you create a folder called Neo CD, has to be Neo CD, and then you put the ROM file here. Yeah, I think this was created after I ran Neo CD, so you don't need to worry about this SRM file actually, because I think that will create itself. Yeah, just put the ROM file in here in this Neo CD folder, and then you go into RetroArch, and yeah, go to load core here. If you guys don't have the Neo CD emulator, you just go to download core, and go down, scroll all the way down to SNK. Yeah, scroll all the way down to SNK into Neo Geo CD. Download that, and then I'm going to load that core right now. Yeah, after you download that, you load it. Now it says Neo CD. Then load content, and I'm going to go to the directory where I extracted the Samurai Shodown RPG. So I'm going to go into users. That's me, and then downloads, and then this is where I have it. And yeah, what you're going to do is select the Q file here, because if you select the bin file, for some reason it doesn't detect Neo CD as one of the emulators to use. I just select the Q file here, and then I choose current core because I have it selected. Once I do that, then it just works. So Neo Geo CD loads, press start here. Yeah, that's playing some kind of CD track. Press the start button here. Yeah, and then you have Samurai Shodown loading. Yep, and that's pretty much it. That's how I got Samurai Shodown RPG loading on the Neo Geo CD emulator on RetroArch. Yeah, it's pretty simple really. Just download the ROM, extract it into a folder, download the Neo CD FROM BIOS, put it in the Neo CD folder under system, and then yeah, you have to do load content and run it manually here, because I think for some reason RetroArch doesn't detect Neo Geo CD as an emulator to use when I try to do normal load content from here. So I have to yeah, go using that menu interface to manually navigate to my Samurai Shodown RPG directory and select it from there and choose current core. But once I do that, it works. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you guys have any issues running this. Thanks for watching.